arriving at the Dunkirk Cruise Night, Calvert County, Maryland, Saturday. I believe we're in the right place. I do believe we found it. Here we are. Alright, let's try to find a parking spot. Let's drive around here. Cars here, for sure. There's it's backing between this truck, this Corvette here. Good right here. And here we are, Dunkirk Cruise Night. So here we are at the Dunkirk Cruise Night, Saturday, June 8th, Calvert County, Maryland. It's a nice Saturday night. Let's take a look and see what's here. Start out with this Nova. Wow. Nice looking car. I'll probably come and get that other row later. Look at this truck. Nice. Very nice. Much better than that. There's our G8. Nice Corvette. Hey look. Another G8. Wheels on that. Wow. Great detailing. Bobby's EPV. Get some decals. There you go. The whole hood there. Nice S10. Wow. Out of nowhere. Hey look, a 98 Cobra, like ours. Except ours is red. You can see how high they sit with the stock springs. They ride better, but they sit really high. Nice Mustang. Great looking Maverick there. Gentlemen, how you doing tonight? Good, good. Good night.
Yes, indeed. It's been a good day all day.
It's a nice truck. Brand new truck. I wouldn't mind having one of those. Nice Nova. Nice Mustang. Great looking Mach 1. Nice doggy. Nice Corvette. That's the one before the current mid-engine one. That's one of the last front-engine ones, I believe. It's another Corvette. And a 60s Corvette. 27,365 horse. That's pretty neat. It is GTX. Wow. We'll come 68. We'll come back to him in a little while. A nice looking street rod there. Down the line here and see what else we got. A nice Nova, 66 or 7, I'm not sure which. How about a Terminator Cobra? Factory supercharged. 72 Chevelle. What year is this one? 70. About a 53 405, 54 5 I think, by the grill Ford truck. It's pretty neat. 409 Impala. Fours. It's pretty neat.
I like the information. Yeah, it's like a crazy black chair.
Four-eyed notchback. Oh, there goes Thunderbird. Just kidding him. 72 Chevelle. Another one. A lot of Chevelles here. Here's a 70 Chevelle with some later Corvette wheels on it. Nice. Big block. 71 to 3 Mustang convertible. That's neat. 69 Camaro. Always nice. '70s Corvette. That's nice. Cuda. Wow. It's really nicely done. Incredible 65 Chevelle. Pretty well done. Wow. Another Impala.
Inside of this.
Nice stuff there. Mustang convertible, Fox body. Chevelle. Chevy. Not sure what this is. I'm not good on the older cars. It says Chevrolet on the firewall, so it's pretty neat. 69 Camaro. It's very well done. I've seen this car in a lot of different shows over the years. GTO here. It's got a Pro Charger on it. How you doing? What year is this? Very nice. A nicely done car. Here's our G8 that's stock. Here's a G8 that's modified. So we got stock. Notice the bright trim around the windows. Here they've blacked it out. Plus he's lowered it. Plus he's got a front spoiler extension on there. And different back spoiler. There's the stock spoiler on ours. And stock wheels. He's got nice. He's got the gauges and the pod up there, different than ours as well. Of course, the amount of cleanliness in this engine compartment is crazy. It's a modified engine compartment, and here's what the stock engine compartment looks like. This nice 68 GTX. A nice looking car. Beautiful. So far for Dunkirk Cruise Night. As always, thanks for watching. Please do all the YouTube things, like, share, subscribe. It really helps the channel. I really thank each and every one of you for watching the videos. We'll see you guys on the next one.